Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my another video. In this video we have to know about what is meant by first piece inspection, why it is important, and who will do the first piece inspection. First of all, we have to understand that what is meant by first piece production. In a manufacturing line, in a production assembly line, in a manufacturing processes, the first piece produced from a line either due to shift changeover, either due to after machine breakdown, either due to after preventive maintenance, it is known as the first piece production. This first piece production is also to be inspected if we have changed the operator, we have changed the shift, we have to change the material parameters, we have to change the machine parameter, or in case of any change due to machine input, either it is electricity changeover, either it is gas pressure up and down, whatever input change, we have to inspect the output of the first piece. Now the second question is that who will do the first piece inspection. It is not important to do the first piece inspection from a third party, from a quality person, but it can be done by a production. Now what parameters you have to inspect during first piece inspection? Again, it is depend upon the production product specification. The main inspection that production operator done is check if it is a you can say that a solid piece of a pen. So the production operator check its physical appearance, its size, its diameter, or whatever the important parameters that have been already described by a production head, quality head. It has to be inspected at the first piece inspection. Now the last question is that why it is important that we have to do the first piece inspection. It is important in with respect to term of traceability. If you have found any abnormality at the customer end, if you find any abnormality, any defect at warehouse inspection, or at the line at the end line inspection, you have to, and the defect is critical, so you have to need the end point where you have to check all the production. So the end point is that where you have seen any changeover, any input changeover in the product, you have to check whole production from that point. So I hope you understand in this video the three aspects that what is meant by first piece inspection, who will do the first piece inspection, and why it is important. Thank you for watching this video.